Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect your Xbox Series S controller to your iPhone. So first of all, I want you to open up settings on the iPhone, then general and about. You need to be running software version 14.6 or newer in order to connect the Xbox Series S controller. If you're on the older software versions, you will need to go to the software update page and update the latest version of iOS. Even though on the older versions you can connect the controller, you can't use it in any game, so it's a bit pointless. So what we're going to do is once we have verified we're on the right software version, which will work, you just need to go back into the settings app, tap into Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. The next step is you're going to get your Xbox Series S controller, and you're going to turn it on. Now, it may turn on the console, just keep that in mind. And once this is turned on, you want to hold down this top button here until the controller starts blinking rapidly. So once it starts blinking, you are now in pairing mode on the controller itself. And you can see Xbox wireless controller now shows up. Let's tap into this one, and we'll give it a little bit, and we see Bluetooth pairing request. We'll just tap on pair, and any moment now you can see the wireless controller is now connected. You can see the blinking has stopped. So just keep in mind, guys, not all games will support the Xbox Series S controller, but if you want a good game to test, Call of Duty Mobile supports the controller. However, PUBG doesn't support the controller. Fortnite does support the controller. Minecraft supports the controller. Some other games will not. So it's a bit hit and miss which games do support the controller. However, you now have successfully connected your Xbox Series S controller to your iPhone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.